little friends, it's Abby. Today we are going to draw and color a Peppa Pig step by step. Let's start drawing. First I'm going to draw her head, her nose, her ears, eyes. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. I draw her cheek and smiling mouth. Then I draw her dress. Her arms, tail, and legs. I want to depict her in a meadow full of flowers. And I draw grass. Nice! Let's draw the sun. And some clouds. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. I decided to add a shadow under Peppa Pig. Let's start coloring. I color her head a light pink. I also color her arms and legs. I use a dark pink to color her cheek. Then I'm gonna color her dress red. Oops! We forgot about her tail. Let's color it pink. Nice! Now let's color the background. I start by coloring the sun. I use 2 different shades of yellow. Then I'm gonna color a grass green. Red and green look amazing next to each other, isn't it? I use dark green for coloring a shadow under Peppa Pig. Let's color the sky. I use blue. Such a beautiful color. Finally, I use yellow for flowers. Good job! First, I'm going to draw Peppa Pig's head, her nose, eyes, her ears, and smiling mouth. I draw a unicorn's mane. Then I draw a Peppa Pig dress. and her hand holding a magic wand with a star. Then I draw a unicorn, his head, his ears, and eyes. His nose, and smiling mouth. I draw his cheek and tail. Now I draw his legs. I want a rainbow to shine over them. And also I want the sky to be full of stars. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color her head a light pink. I also color her arm. Then I'm gonna color her dress red. Let's color a unicorn's mane yellow. I also use yellow for coloring stars. I color a unicorn's mane purple and sky blue. Let's color the sky. I use turquoise. Such a beautiful color. Then I color the grass cold green because it's night. And all the colors become cold at night. Let's color the rainbow. First I use red. Then I use yellow. Green color. And finally, I use purple. Good job! We will draw and color a Peppa Pig eating ice cream. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw her head, her nose, her cheek, her closed eyes, and I draw her open mouth with her tongue. Ice cream stains on her face. Then I draw her ears. Then I draw her dress and her legs. Let's draw the ice cream she is holding in her hands. I draw 3 scoops of ice cream. Let's draw her tail. And I want to draw the background. I start by drawing a grass. I want to draw a rainbow behind her. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color her head a light pink. I use a dark pink to color her cheek. I color her tongue red. And I use red for coloring her dress. Let's color her legs pink. I use this marker to color an ice cream cone. Then I use brown to color the chocolate. And hot pink. This is a raspberry ice cream with the chocolate. Now I color the second scoop of ice cream mint green. This is a mint ice cream. Finally, I use yellow-green for the third scoop. Then I color ice cream stains on her face. It's so delicious! Peppa Pig is so lucky! Now let's color the background. I use blue for coloring the sky. Then I'm gonna color a grass green. Let's color the rainbow. First I use red. Then I use yellow. Green color. And sky blue. Finally, I use purple. Good job! We are going to draw a Peppa Pig drawing sky with a rainbow. Let's start drawing. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Good job! If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. New videos come every week.